today I will show you how to paint a beautiful winter landscape with watercolor. A man, a kids and a dog playing in the snow. This is very simple painting. Hope you will enjoy it and please watch my full video. For this painting I am using 200 GSM paper and its size 15 inch by 11 inch. At first I am painting the background forest. I will show it a misty forest. So I will do it wet in wet and create a mist effect in the background forest. Now I am painting the trees in the background forest and doing it wet in wet, and it looks after dry a foggy weather or mist forest, and I keep left the paper white to show the snow. Snow looks white, so I keep left the paper white, and I draw a man holding a dog and his kids playing in the snow. This is a holiday mood and this is a morning in the snow. So after dry the first wash, now I am detailing some trees which are in foreground and I am doing the shadow of trees, shadows on the snow. And doing it the lower part because I would not do it much because I will keep the forest a mist looks, and it's a morning time. The sunlight coming from left side and the shadows are in the right side. So I am doing it, and this is a very simple painting and it's good for beginners. Beginners can try it. A snowy landscape. This is a winter landscape, and now I am doing little shadows on the snow. If I leave the whole page white, then it's not looking flat. So I have to create a snow effect in the watercolor. So I will using different colors like cobalt blue, Vansina and yellow ochre on the snow. It is shadows on the snows and it's not plain, some ups and downs. Now I am painting the human figures. So you also learn how to paint human figures in landscape. This is very simple painting for beginners. Hope you'll enjoy it and please watch my full video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.